Today, we're reading about stars and constellations. Now, what is a star? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. This book will tell you all about stars. Stars may look tiny, but that is just because they are very far away. Did you know that there are at least as many stars in the universe as there are grains of sand on Earth? That's a lot of stars. Which star is closest to the Earth? The Sun! You're right! Other stars are a lot like the Sun. They are humongous balls of hot, glowing gases. Did you know the Sun looks bigger than other stars because it is much closer to the Earth? It is hard to see stars in a city. City lights make the sky too bright. But if you're in the country, you can see a lot of stars. At night, do you see stars? Sometimes I see stars. Now, constellations. People have always looked at the stars. Long ago, they imagined lines drawn from star to star. The lines made pictures called constellations. What do you see here? Long ago, people saw a powerful bear. At night, they gazed up at the sky and told exciting stories about the bear. This is the Great Bear constellation. Does the constellation look like a bear? Kind of. Did you know that the first constellations were named more than 2,000 years ago? It's been a long time. Sometimes people saw heroes in the sky. Take a look at this shape. What do you see? What kind of hero do you see? Did you know that the shape of a constellation never changes? Did you see Orion constellation? I did. Long ago, people saw a brave man. They called him Orion. They told stories about him. In the stories, Orion was a great hunter. Now, Orion is famous for his bright belt of 3 stars. Can you spot his belt of 3 stars? Right there, you're right. Now, famous stars. Stars may look the same at first, but they are each a little different. Stars can be big or small. They can be red, yellow, white, or blue. Did you know that the blue stars are the hottest and the red stars are the coolest? Now, what color stars do you see? Now, the star named Sirius, right there, stands out in the crowd. Do you know why? It's because it's very, very bright. It forms the chest of a constellation called the Great Dog. Did you know that Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky? Can you spot Sirius? Right there, you're right. These 7 stars are special too. They form the shape of a huge soup ladle called the Big Dipper. Did you know that it is the easiest to see the Big Dipper in the middle of summer? What else does the Big Dipper look like? It can look like a hat. Wow! There are so many pictures in the starry night sky. Turn on your imagination. What do you see here? We are always learning new things about stars every day. What kind of picture do you see here? Well, thanks for reading, friends.